U.S. defense contractor Northrop Grumman Corporation announced on July 11 the achievement of a significant milestone in high-energy laser (HEL) weapons development with the completion of the Preliminary Design Review (PDR) for a 300 kW class HEL prototype. The company said that the PDR was part of a technical process to ensure that its design can realize a precise, low-cost, speed-of-light technology for military operations. The HELC is a Pentagon initiative to develop a new 300 kW class laser weapon prototype for technology demonstration. This is an important step in combining high-power laser beams into a single beam that can be scaled for maximum power, said Robert Fleming, Vice President and General Manager, Strategic Space Systems, Northrop Grumman. According to the company, the prototype can be scaled up to more than a megawatt. It will be tested at progressively higher powers later this year to prove the coherent beam combining (CBC) design. Beam combining involves combining the outputs of multiple laser sources to obtain a single high-energy output beam. In contrast, coherent beam incorporation would involve the merger of coherent waves with a constant phase difference. Another method to fuse two laser beams is spectral beam combining, SBC, also known as wavelength beam combining, which involves superimposing the outputs of several laser emitters at specific wavelengths in an area to form a single beam. The incorporation of laser weapons technology is currently one of the high-priority targets of the U.S. military, especially after the U.S. lawmakers asked the armed services to speed up efforts toward developing directed energy weapons in early July. The U.S. Army plans to have two types of laser weapons systems for air defense by 2022, which include the 50 kW class weapons and 300 kW class weapons fitted on Stryker armored vehicles manufactured by General Dynamics. The 50 kW laser weapon is designated as the DMSHORAD, Directed Energy, Maneuver Short-Range Air Defense, which will be used to shoot short-range rockets, artillery, and drones. In contrast, the 300 kW beams will be used against cruise missiles. Initially, Northrop Grumman and Raytheon competed for the 50 kW laser weapon system. Still, Northrop Grumman dropped out of the program, while Raytheon recently demonstrated its prototype in May against 60mm mortars and several small, medium, and large drones. Meanwhile, the U.S. Air Force received its first high-energy laser weapon on July 12, called Lance, or Laser Advancements for Next-Generation Compact Environments, from Lockheed Martin. Lance is a pod weapon that can be fitted on an aircraft with the primary laser weapon supplied by Lockheed Martin and the pod carrying Lance made by Boeing. Also, the beam control system that trains the laser on its target is provided by Northrop Grumman. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.